Hi everybody, I'm in Männlichen today, which is just above Grindelwald. Beautiful panoramic view from up here, and we're gonna go on the panoramic walk from Männlichen to Kleine Scheidegg, where I'm gonna take a train. Let's check it out. The panoramic walk is about a 90-minute walk, and it's at 2,100 meters. And I guess the name says it all, it's going to be panoramic. The way you get here from Grindelwald is by taking this gondolas. There's a direct gondola coming from Grindelwald to Männlichen. Up here you have a beautiful view of Grindelwald, just below. It's about a 20-minute gondola ride up here. Of course you can also walk, that takes about 2 hours. The Jungfrau network here in the Grindelwald area is really well developed. It offers you lots of flexibility to go up one mountain, come back the other mountain, and do hikes in between. And that's just really cool because you don't have to plan too much. There's always a train or a gondola waiting for you. They offer different types of tickets and passes. I took a 3-day pass, and with that I have access of the entire network here in this region, up down to Interlaken and Schienige Platte, and so there's lots of trails and hikes and train rides and gondola rides to do. The other thing that you have to pay attention to when you come here is the weather. Obviously I'm very lucky today with the weather. It's not always like that, and it's a very different atmosphere when it's cloudy or rainy here. And check out those vistas here. This trail is called Panoramic Trail for a reason. And ahead of me I have the glaciers. The trail ends at Kleine Scheidegg, and from there I have 3 options. I can either take the train back down to Grindelwald, or I can go down the other side of the mountain, down to Wengen, which then leads me back down to the valley of Lauterbrunn, and I can go even down to Interlaken if I choose to, or I can go up to the Jungfrau Region and take the train there. So there's lots of options, and I'll probably take the train to Wengen because I want to check that out. I've never been, and from there I'll take another train back to Grindelwald. This hike takes about 90 minutes, and you can do that in a half day. Go up the mountain, enjoy the view from Männlichen, which is about a 20-25 minute walk from the mountain station of the gondola, and back from the gondola you can take the trail here to Kleine Scheidegg, and given the train ride back, you can do that in 3 to 4 hours. You want to take some rest, there's some benches as well. This one has a really great view of Grindelwald with all the valley all the way up there, and the first up here. you can see the tunnels of the railway that leads from Grindelwald up the mountain to the Kleine Scheidegg. As a nice round trip excursion, you can take the gondolas up the mountain to Männlichen, walk the Panoramic trail to the Kleine Scheidegg, and take the train down again to Grindelwald. And all in all, this shouldn't take you more than 2.5 to 3 hours if you take some breaks and enjoy the beautiful view. There's lots of benches everywhere that invite you to sit down and just enjoy the vistas. I'm approaching now the Kleine Scheidegg. You can see the railway station over there, the buildings there. And what's really amazing is those massive glaciers here. If you look up the mountain here, fantastic. Yeah, the ski lifts, in the summer they are not operational, but I imagine the winter time this region invites you to fantastic skiing in the Alps. Those slopes there should be fun to go down. So what should you bring if you go on this walk? Good shoes are an advantage. Get some nice hiking boots. It's not a very difficult trail. Everybody can do it, but sometimes it can be a little bit slippery, so good shoes are important. In addition, wear some layered clothing, because the weather can change quickly. The temperatures can go up and down. Right now it's very hot, but I always carry a jacket with me just in case. In addition, you want to bring a bottle of water. There's plenty of opportunities to fill up that bottle. Don't leave any trash behind. Don't take any stuff with you that you don't carry with you back down the mountain. But bring some snacks. If you take a bit of a rest on some of those benches, you want to have something to eat with you. And that's definitely also the cheaper option to the more expensive restaurants that certainly are there at the Männlichen station, also at the Kleine Scheidegg. Bring some sunscreen, which I didn't do. Big mistake. Next time I'll bring some sunscreen, because the sun is hot today. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please also check out my other videos on Switzerland, and give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And if you haven't done so yet, please also subscribe to my channel, and we see each other in the next video. Have a good one. Bye bye. Grüezi.